Ever wanted to create stunning, professional 3D animation without wearing a ridiculous, expensive motion capture suit? Well, in 2026, you don't have to. Welcome back, creators. Today we're looking at Move AI, a game-changing platform that turns normal video footage into high-fidelity 3D animation. Move AI has been pioneering markerless motion capture since 2019, using their patented artificial intelligence motion engine. Instead of putting actors in tight suits covered in plastic balls, Move AI captures authentic human movement directly from video. This means you can generate studio-grade animation data using much simpler setups, saving you massive amounts of time and production budget. So, what makes Move AI stand out? First is their markerless technology. Traditional motion capture requires specialized studios, but Move AI lets you capture authentic motion in almost any environment. This means faster shoot times, scalable volumes, and dramatically reduced costs. They offer tools like Move One, designed to help you capture high-quality movement easily. According to comparative tests, the data quality is highly accurate and directly comparable to traditional optical systems, making it a viable tool for indie creators and major VFX, entertainment, and gaming studios alike. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons. On the plus side, the lack of hardware barrier is a massive win. You don't need to purchase or calibrate expensive suits. However, because public user reviews are currently limited, and we want to be completely transparent with you, we don't have a massive library of independent user feedback to share today. While the official tech specs and studio partnerships look incredibly promising, your individual experience may vary depending on your camera setup, lighting, and the complexity of the movements you are trying to capture. If you want to try it out for yourself, getting started is simple. Head over to move.ai. You can explore their technology, look at their case studies, or even book a live or remote demonstration with their team to see how it fits into your specific workflow. What do you think? Is markerless motion capture the future of 3D animation? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video.